Let me tell you something a little crazy. Right now, pretty much everyone thinks Google is lagging behind in the AI race. Playing catch-up.
But here's the thing, the secret they're missing. Google has quietly pushed out something way more powerful than what most of us are using day to day. And the wild part? Almost nobody is talking about it. This isn't just another chatbot, folks. It's a full-on professional-grade command center for their AI. And it's called Google AI Studio. So let's dive right in, because trust me, by the end of this, you're going to see exactly why this thing is about to be absolutely everywhere.
So, what is this secret weapon? Well, let's unveil the tool that, seriously, most people are just completely sleeping on.
Okay, so here's the fundamental problem, right? Most of us, when we use an AI like Gemini or ChatGPT, we just type in some random prompt and, well, we get a pretty random answer back. But AI Studio, it's built for something totally different. It's all about building repeatable, professional-level results.
And I love this analogy. It just makes so much sense. Think about the regular Gemini chat you use. It's like a calculator. Super simple, quick, perfect for casual stuff. AI Studio, though, that's the entire Excel spreadsheet. You've got the same brain, the same intelligence underneath, but one is for quick chats, and the other, well, that's for people who want real power and control.
So what does that power actually look like? I mean, what can you do? Well, it means you get to control things like how creative the AI gets, how long it talks, how consistent it stays, and, this one's a big one, how structured the answer is when it comes back. And believe me, this is where things start to get seriously, seriously good.
So how do you get this control? Let's pop the hood on the Pro Mode control panel and really look at the features inside.
Okay, listen up, because this right here, this is the #1 feature that changes the entire game. It's called System Instructions. This is where you give the AI a permanent role, a job. You stop talking to a general, do-it-all chatbot, and you start programming a specialized assistant that follows your rules.
So, for example, you could literally tell it, hey, from now on, you're a YouTube scriptwriter. I need you to always write with suspense, never ever give me a boring intro, and always break your output into sections. And just like that, poof, Gemini stops being a random chatbot and starts acting like a trained employee who actually knows their job. That is the shift.
Next up is another one of those hidden gems that most people never even touch. It's called temperature. The easiest way to think about this is like a creativity dial for the AI. You're literally adjusting how random or how predictable its answers are going to be. So if you set that temperature dial low, you're going to get stable, factual, super consistent answers. This is perfect for stuff like summaries or technical writing. But if you crank that dial way up, you get creative, surprising, even kind of risky outputs, which is amazing for brainstorming or any kind of artistic work. With this one slider, you can turn Gemini into a strict by-the-book teacher or a totally wild storyteller. It's all up to you. And let's be real for a second. How often do you get an answer from an AI and it's just a mess? Huge paragraphs, weird formatting, just a lot of fluff. Well, structured output completely solves that. You can force the AI to give you clean, usable answers in the exact format you want. I'm talking bullet points, tables, or even something like JSON, which is just a clean data format that developers can plug right into their apps.
And this right here, this is Google's quiet superpower. Gemini is what they call multimodal from the ground up. What does that even mean? It means it doesn't just get text. It understands images, documents, charts, the whole shebang. So you could, say, snap a picture of your messy whiteboard notes, upload it, and ask it to turn that into a perfectly structured project plan. See? It's not just a writing tool. It's an intelligence tool that can actually see what you see.
Okay, these features are obviously powerful, but how do you actually use them to get an unfair advantage? Let's look at what people are doing with AI Studio to get ahead, like right now.
Okay, check this out. Creators, they're banging out YouTube scripts and video outlines. Business owners, they're generating sales copy and entire email campaigns. Students are creating their own custom study guides and quizzes. Marketers are developing ad creatives and nailing down brand voices. And the craziest part, this is all happening without anyone writing a single line of code.
But here's the really big idea that most people are missing. When you learn AI Studio, you're not just learning a tool. You are training yourself for the future of AI. You're getting the hang of building AI systems. Agents, automations, workflows, all that stuff that's going to be working for you in the background.
So that brings up a huge question. Why is this tool, that so few people are even talking about to just explode in popularity?
Well, here's my prediction. It's because Google is about to jam Gemini into everything. We're talking Google Docs, Gmail, your Android phone, Chrome, YouTube, even search itself. And when that day comes, every single person is going to be asking, okay, how do I actually use this thing properly? And the answer, my friends, is going to be AI Studio. It's the official training ground.
You know, the biggest mistake I see people make is they try AI once, they get a kind of meh result, and they just quit. But here's the thing, AI isn't magic, it's leverage. And leverage only works when you're in control. AI Studio is the thing that finally hands you that control.
All right, let's bring this all home. To help you really master this command center, let's talk about your path from casual user to total pro.
So here are 5 quick pro tips for you. Number 1, always write your system instructions first. You got to train your AI employee. Number 2, save your best prompts. They're like valuable assets. 3, demand structured output. Don't settle for a mess. 4, test out different variations. The tool is literally built for you to experiment. And number 5, start using it for entire workflows, not just one-off answers.
So, when you boil it all down, what's the final truth here? It's that Google AI Studio is not just another AI tool. It is Google's professional-grade AI command center, period.
It's the one thing that takes Gemini from being this simple, kind of random chatbot and transforms it into a powerful, controlled system that you are in charge of.
And look, if you're a creator, a business owner, a student, honestly, if you're anyone who wants to get a real edge, just remember this one thing. The people who take the time to master these tools early, they're the ones who always win.